welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing two juices. One is to help with hydration, which is the celery, the cucumber, and I added an apple in it because I won't be using any sugar, only a little honey. The other will be a regular pineapple and carrot. So I just peel my fruits, which is the pineapple. I'll peel the pineapple and I'll also clean my carrots. I will be using the skin of the cucumber. I don't need to peel anything from the celery and the apple. So the celery and the cucumber juice, it contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, which helps our immune system, and the celery juice helps to improve digestion and also gut health. So I'll be prepping these, and because I'm lazy today, I'll be using a NutriBullet instead of my blender. Welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. If you haven't yet started following me, I do hope that you will support me. It's free. Please remember to watch my videos, like the videos, feel free to share, comment, and I will interact with you in my videos. Please remember to give your girl a like. 1 second and I'll wait until you like. Thank you for liking. So I firstly added celery, cucumber, some ginger in my NutriBullet, and I used water. I could have also used a juicer, but it takes a long while. Then I just run this through my strainer. For the cucumber and the celery juice, I used an apple to help with sweetening, and I used honey to sweeten. For my pineapple and my carrot, which is for my family, I did add a little hint of sugar in it, and the regular ginger and lemon juice. Again, thank you for stopping by. I do hope that you will get some ideas from my channel. You can also learn to change the way how we eat, whatever we consume, and make sure that whatever we're putting inside of our bodies, it is giving us an health benefit. Nothing is wrong in changing every now and then, or we eat or we drink. Clean eating, clean drinking is always good. Thank you for stopping by Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Thank you, and stay tuned for another video, and I do hope that you will come back to my channel. Please remember to set your notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Thank you, stay tuned, and see you soon. There are my finished juices. Thank you for stopping by. Remember now, home cooked meals are important, essential, and economical. Please remember to give your girl a like on this video. The like button is the little finger in the bottom left of YouTube. Once you go on my video, please remember to set that notification bell. See you soon.